Hi, Chris, project manager with Icon Building Group. Today I want to talk about some spring items that you want to take care of for the exterior of your house. So the first thing is you want to clean your gutters. So gutters should be cleaned in the spring and the fall. If you have no trees around your house, you still want to clean them as leaves can travel for miles around and clog up your gutters. Secondly, if you have any settlement around your house, you want to make sure that you're filling that in with dirt and then spreading your mulch back over it to keep the water away from your house during the rainy season in the summer. Third, it's a great time if you have an asphalt driveway to seal it. Spring or fall, most people like to do it in the spring as it looks nice and shiny and black like it's a brand new driveway. Cleaning your windows, cleaning your screens, great time to do that. And don't forget, change your furnace filters and your batteries and your smoke detectors. Have a great day.